Hi, my name's Paul and welcome back to my garage. In this video you're going to see me build this table saw sled. It's made out of 1/2-inch plywood and it's got some T-track on the top for a stop block, which I'm still waiting on. We've got a bit of a delay with around COVID-19 worldwide. It's got a little chamfer on the underside to stop any bits of debris from pushing your workpiece off square, and it's going to be a big upgrade on my old one, which was made out of 3/4-inch plywood. I've got it down here, and yeah, you just have to take a look at it to understand it wasn't square. I made the runners out of plywood instead of hardwood, so this new one has got runners made from ash, and we've got some machine wax from Axminster rubbed on the bottom of it and rubbed on the surface of the table saw, and you can see it slides quite effortlessly across there, and it's got a pretty decent square cut. I don't use that 5-cut method. I don't go that precise. Also, my malves aren't that good, but it cuts perfectly fine for me. So in my view, that's all that matters. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so apologies once again for the abrupt end of the video. As I say, completely my fault. The memory card was full, and so I was hitting record. I seen the red light flash on the screen. I wasn't looking at how much time it was able to record for, and as it turned out, there was maybe only 10 seconds of footage recorded. So I basically lost the whole end to the video, but look, nonetheless, we've got it done. I'm really happy how it's turned out. This is a little scrap piece of 3/4 inch plywood, and as I say, when I hold a good accurate square up to it, I've got a perfectly square edge. And you know, I might have expected to get away with narrower stuff, but when I turn this on the long side like this, I'm getting pretty good square edges the whole way around. So it's exceeded my expectations, because as I say, a lot of the videos I watched before making this, people use that 5-cut method to get a really precise measurement. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not looking for a figure to tell me how accurate it is. As far as I can tell, it cuts perfectly fine for me. So no, I'm more than happy with that. As far as the next project sort of goes, I really need to get this done, because I'm going to make a little trolley sort of on wheels to put the Bosch pillar drill on. I'm going to fit it with a couple of drawers. I've got some drawer runners there as well, some soft close ones. So we're looking to get that sorted. But as I say, the table saw sled is going to help get some nice square edges on some of the side panels for that. So as I say, this was the priority to get it done first. So as I say, if you enjoyed this, if you're thinking of building your own and we're looking for a bit of inspiration, some ideas, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some from the video. If you don't mind, if you can give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to comment or you want to subscribe, that'll be great too. But that aside, we'll see you on the next one.